This time we're supposed to multiply two complex numbers expressed in polar forms and express the answer in rectangular form. So what we're supposed to do first, we have to apply this formula in order to multiply these two complex numbers. So I have 0.953, I have to multiply the magnitudes first, times 0.528, and I'm supposed to add angles. So I have negative 6.3 degrees plus 21.3 degrees. 0.953 times 0.528 is equal 503.18 times 10 to negative 3. I express my answer in engineering notation, and angle is equal 15 degrees. So this is the product of these two phasors expressed in polar form. But we have to convert this answer into rectangular form. So what we're supposed to do? We're supposed to remember that anytime you want to find the real part, x, you're supposed to simply multiply the magnitude of this phasor times cosine of this angle. So this is equal 503.18 times 10 to negative 3 cosine of angle 15 degrees is equal 486.03 times 10 to negative 3. And this is my real part. If I want to find imaginary part, y, I'm supposed to multiply magnitude of my phasor times sine of angle theta, which is equal 503.18 times 10 to negative 3 sine of angle 15 degrees. Use the calculator. You're supposed to get the value of 130.23 times 10 to negative 3. Okay, so this is my real part and this is my imaginary part. So if you want to write the answer in rectangular form, you're supposed to simply write that x plus jy is equal, my real part is 486.03 times 10 to negative 3 plus j 130.23 times 10 to negative 3. Okay, so this is the solution to my problem.